In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to play YouTube in the background on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option General. Navigate to the option Picture in Picture. Make sure Start PIP automatically is turned on. This allows videos to keep playing even after you leave the app. Now, you'll need to enable this feature inside the YouTube app. For that, close this, launch your YouTube app. Navigate to the library page. Once you're over here, click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now navigate to the option Settings. Over here, you're going to find this option Playback. Click on that. Here, make sure Picture in Picture is enabled. This lets YouTube to continue playing videos automatically when you exit the app. To test it, open any video on YouTube. Once it starts playing, swipe up or press the home gesture to leave the app. The video will shrink into a small floating window. You can move it around the screen, resize it, or swipe it off to the right to hide it temporarily. Tap the arrow to bring it back at any time. That's all it takes to play YouTube in the background on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.